I heard he spent 500 pounds on jeans, goes to the gym at least 6 times a week.
Dalam rangka mendorong kemajuan pelaku dan juga komunitas perkebunan, mari kita saksikan bersama penyerahan penghargaan Anugerah Perkebunan Indonesia 2022 dan penerima penghargaan Anugerah Perkebunan Indonesia 2022 adalah
I guess if you were Lois Lane, I wasn't Superman. Just a young boy trying to be loved, so let me give it to you. I don't wanna know about your new man, cause if it was meant to be, you wouldn't be calling me up trying to, cause I'm positive that you don't wanna know about me. I don't wanna know about your new man, we'll get there eventually. I know you're missing all this kind of love, but I'm positive that you don't wanna know about me. Your new man rents a house in the burp and wears a man bag on his shoulder, but I call it a purse. Every year he goes to Malaga with all the fellas, drinks beer but has a 6-pack, I'm kinda jealous. He wears sunglasses in